Did you know Genghis Khan created the largest free trade zone in human history? Genghis Khan was born around 1162 on the Mongolian steppe. His father was poisoned by rivals when he was young, and his own clan abandoned him and his family to die. As a teenager, he was captured and enslaved. Most people never recover from that. He built an empire. By his 30s, he had united dozens of warring Mongolian tribes, something no one had done before. Then he turned outward. His armies swept across Asia, Persia, and into Eastern Europe, conquering more land than any military force in history. But here is what most people never learn. Under Mongol rule, merchants, diplomats, and travelers could cross safely from China all the way to Europe for the first time ever. This era, known as the Pax Mongolica, connected the entire known world. He also guaranteed religious freedom across every territory he controlled. The man history remembers as pure destruction also built the most connected world of his age.